Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you today some Project Life apps that I've discovered. A lady on YouTube, NadineTX, did a video about the apps that she uses for her Project Life. So I had to check it out, and I have to say I'm absolutely in love with her idea. So thank you so much, Nadine. I'm not sure if she watches my video, but if she does, I'd really like to thank her for the idea because it was very helpful to me. So I want to just share with you what she has said, but just to go into a little bit more detail about it. So this is my iPhone, and I have to say up front that I videotaped this quite a few times. It's very difficult to videotape something and try to show you the app. It sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. And since I've only been using this for the last 2 days, I'm still learning, so I'm not like an expert at it at all. So on my phone, I have a grouping or an app grouping that I have, and it's Project Life. And in it, there are 4 applications. The first one is one that's called Day 1. And then there's one that's Pic Frame, Frametastic, and Pic Collage. Now, all these apps are either free or 99 cents or $1.99. They're not very expensive at all. But I do have to say they're very useful because if I'm picking up my son or I'm picking up my daughter and I'm not doing anything, I can scrapbook my photos so that they're ready to print when I get home. This Day 1 is basically a calendar, and what happens is in the calendar, go here, you can document what happened in that day. So for example, on the 11th, I wrote down, Lexi went shopping with a friend. She came home with shorts and a t-shirt for Jordan that she bought with her own money. And then I went on, right? So if you look on my Monday, which is the 11th, here's a picture of my son with his shirt that my daughter bought. And so I exactly knew what photos I had and how to organize it. And so if you look here, on the Tuesday, went to work a little late so I could work on my laundry, had a mountain of dirty clothes to wash. So again on Tuesday, this was my collage that I did, and you see, yes, my laundry room looks disgusting, and the mountain of laundry I have, and look, I look like I'm drowning in laundry, which I felt like I was. So as you see, I do this just in case I am not able to do my daily layout for Project Life. I can write it down so I know what photo goes where. So like today is the 15th, right? Let me just see if this works. It's hard to do it when I'm looking through. So create a new entry. You just go in the arrow and it goes up there, and then you can start typing what it is, and then you just go done. So I'm just going to go back since I didn't type anything. I'll do that later. Now, the other app that I use, that I've been using a lot, is this Pic Frame. So, for example, let's just go back to this, and I'm going to just use the, let's do the 4x3. Okay, and I'm going to use that layout there. So each section here is a slot to put a photo. Now what you do is you just click on here. I don't know if you hold it down. There we go. Okay, so now it goes into your camera roll, and what you can do is you just go through your photos and just put the one you want. So let's just say I want this screen here, or this shot. And then you can move it, you can make it bigger, you see, and move it up, so it just shows that. Okay, why did it do that? And just say pictures, just say cancel. Okay, so that's that there. Now, I'm not sure if it's showing on the screen that well. I still have 2 more slots to do, so I can take this one here, and I go back into my camera roll, and I'll just choose any photo here. So let's just go, some of these photos are crazy. Okay, let's do this one here, my son. And then see, I can move it up right there. Now I can also move the frame. Oh, cancel. I can move the frame so that I can see more of the photo, right? And then I can go to this frame here, look for another photo. So let's just say this one here, and I can move it around. You can make it bigger or smaller, whatever, turn it around. There's lots of options that you can do here, okay? So say that's what I wanted, right? Now I can go to Style, and whatever color or pattern that they have here, I can make my borders. So, of course, my battery's low. Let's hope I can finish this. So say I wanted to do stripes, and then I'll go back to... okay, and then you can also adjust the width, so you can make your border bigger. So there you go, right? And then if you wanted to make your corners rounded, you can do that by just adjusting here. And so I've got more of a rounded corners. If I wanted less, you could do that. Anyway, so that's that. And then if you like that, all you have to do is go share and save, and that will save it onto your photos. So if you were done, all you would have to do is go into your photos. There's my daughter here. I'm going to go to camera roll, and it's right there. So there it is, ready to be printed out. So very simple. Now, just to show you, if we go back to Project Life, where I have this, Frametastic is exactly the same thing. There's just some other options. The layouts are here, and it gives you so many free, but then once you start getting into these ones, you actually have to pay 99 cents more for a package of these frames here. So, and then PicCollage is also quite neat because I think this one it's free for a limited time. So here are your options, right? So you can make it bigger, longer, shorter, whatever. And then, so if you pick a frame, let's pick that one. And then you put a photo in it. So let's just take these. And this, let's take this. And then this. I don't know. Take this. Okay. So let's adjust it a little bit. Oh, this one has... It's interesting. I think I picked a weird photo. Okay, so let's just adjust it there. This one here, and I'll adjust that way. And then this one here. Can adjust there. Now you can add like stickers and crop your photos, so you can enhance it. So let's just add a sticker to this. And you see all the options I have. So I don't know, let's just say I wanted to put a star. So you can make the star smaller, you can move it around, and then just go apply, and then it's done. So when you go done, and then you're done, so you go finish. And then you can save it to the album. It's done, and then it should be on your camera. Let's just take a look. Oh, that's right there. And this one too, you have the option of changing the borders and the styles, but it's a great tool to have. And you can just, once you get home, you can print it out. So as you see, I don't really want to get into detail again because I usually do a week review of my layout, but I have all these collages that I have created with that app. So loving that so much. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Again, you just get the app through the App Store, and I'll try to write down the apps names down below, and check out Nadine's video because it was her idea, and I just want to let all of you guys know what she has shared because it's really helpful for project life. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Nadine, again. This was an awesome idea. Take care. Bye.